Iguashte. Vegetable salad in squash seed sauce. A side dish from Guatemala. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Toast the squash seeds in a dry skillet over moderate to low heat for about 10 minutes until light brown. Step 2. Toast the tomatillos and garlic in a dry skillet over moderate to low heat for about. Step 3. 10 minutes, until the skins are slightly charred. Step 4. Cook the potatoes in the water with the salt until they are soft. Drain well and reserve the liquid. Step 5. Cook the green beans in the salted water over moderate heat until soft, about 5 minutes. Step 6. Drain well and reserve the liquid. Step 7. Prepare a smooth sauce in a processor by first putting in the squash seeds, then the tomatillos, garlic and 2 cups reserved cooking liquid. Strain the sauce and discard the rough bits. Step 8. Toss the sauce with the potatoes and green beans. Step 9. Refrigerate for 1 hour or more before serving. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.